Hello, Rieto. So here's the bug, which and where in PDF Expert I am unable to transfer all my files from iTunes to um, Windows Desktop. But just as an example, I'll um, do the same thing with Goodreader and show you that it works with other apps. But it's just not working with PDF Expert. So here you go. Here's Goodreader. Alright. And here are the files in Goodreader. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll just take one of the folders, pick it, and this is Goodreader documents. So I picked a folder, or you know what I'll do is I'll just pick all of them with Control A. And what I'll do is try to see if all of these get exported to a folder in Windows. So what I'll do is choose desktop. I made a folder. I just named it iTunes. There you go. Um, Over here. And let's see if this saves or not. Select folder. Alright, so there you go. Oh, so it did export all of this. Let's go inside the folder and see if it exported everything, which it did. Okay, so now let's try the same thing with PDF export. So what I'll do is, well, let me show you how many files I have in the folder. So basically I keep all of my files in PDF Expert. I have a bunch of PDFs and I have a lot of folders. Now at this moment, if I go to iTunes and if I go to PDF Expert, I know that, okay, I'll go up on top over here. Alright, so I know that in PDF Expert, it's not like Goodreader. It doesn't work like Goodreader. So basically what I have to do is to get all of my files from the app into this area right here. I have to copy everything into this iTunes folder in PDF Expert. So what I'll do is, hopefully it's clear for you. Okay, what I'll do is create a folder over here. I'll just name it, maybe I'll just name it backup. Okay. And then what I usually do is go back, select all over here. Okay. And then I do a copy. And then I go to the iTunes folder. I'll go on the folder that I created. And I'll copy everything over here. So I'll let it copy. Okay. So let's see if the files are there now. What I'll do is I'll go to the iTunes folder. I'll go on backup, and all my files are there, and all my folders are there too. So I'll just go back over here. Now, this backup folder, the folder that I created, this should appear on iTunes because it's in the iTunes folder. I'll go over here and PDF export documents, and backup is the folder that I created. So now what I want to do is export, and this is, it doesn't tell me the size. Maybe, I thought it did. Maybe if I just re-click on PDF export, it'll do the trick. I'll just re-click it over here, and then go above. Yep, now it's showing that the folder that I created is 1.49 gigabytes, and that's a backup folder. So now what I want to do is choose this folder, backup, and export this folder into my desktop. So I'll go down one more time, save to, and now I want to save it into that same folder that I created. It's called the iTunes folder. And this is where my folders from the Goodreader are, and this is where I want to save this folder. So what I'll do is select this folder, and hopefully it'll do the transfer. So boom. Alright, let's see if it does it. Okay, so it started. Alright, so since this 1.5 gigabyte file, it may take some time. So let's just wait on that. Uh, it does take a while. So if you want to fast forward another 2 or 5 minutes, go ahead. Oh, okay, never mind. So I got a dialog box over here saying backup could not be completed, or backup could not be copied because an error occurred. The required file cannot be found. So there we go. So this is the bug that I keep having. I'll click OK. I just want to view the file again that was in PDF export. It's a 1.49 gigabyte file. I'm just going to minimize this and go back to my iTunes folder and see if anything's here. Here, I'm going to close this and go there again. So nothing is there. Nothing from PDF expert is there, but the Goodreader stuff is still there. So, okay, so here's the bug. I've tried doing this like 5 different times. I've made sure that the iTunes is up to date, and I've made sure my iPad Pro is always up to date on the iOS, and even the PDF expert is up to date. So I hope you guys can, give me some suggestions on how to back up my file onto my computer. All right, talk to you soon. Goodbye.